Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view at the Hux World. And today we got a couple of freebies for you that's coming out of the Gear Manager store on the homepage, free for the taking for a limited time only. So make sure you go download right after the video. And with that, let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called SSOM Lily Yellow. Yes, this one is by SSOM, and you know this guy really does his work on watch faces. So let's go ahead, let's check this one out. Again, it looks really nice. It's an analog watch face. You get a few dials in all, and always on mode. For the Gear S3, it's just going to be dimmed down. You're going to get the same look as if the watch face was on. But for the Gear S2, I really thought the developer did a great job on the AOD mode on this one. Now, when it's on, of course, you get an analog look, and you get digital time at the top, which means you get the best of both worlds. I like it. I even like the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch with the red tip. And this is your date. So if you tap on it, you can pull up the calendar, set the event. Over here, if you tap, you can bring up your step status info, find out how many floors you climb. You can tap on the bottom dial, and it's going to bring up your battery info. Very nice look. Now, here is where you get your shortcuts at. And with my watch, I got to tap for precise. I can pull up my, of course, music player, and up here is my settings. I got to hit it a certain way. My watch is temperamental. Your settings are here. Your weather is here, and up there is your S voice that we do not want to mess with. So I thought this was definitely a nice look. Free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you go download as soon as you can. And let's check out watch number two. Now this one is called Ezra. I like Ezra. Very modern, very sleek, and always on mode. For the Gear 3, you're going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down, kind of like watch face number one. And also for the Gears 2, again, it's going to have a very nice look that I like. But again, for both watch faces, you're still going to be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, of course, you greet it with an analog look / digital. Down at the bottom, it's going to give you a date. Also here, you get a moon phase, heart rate information, your battery info, step status info, and they're all interactive. So if you tap on it, you can get more of your step status. Here, not here, right here, you're going to get your calendar, get your heart rate information. Not bad at all. Right here, if I tap on there, I get the weather. Of course, here, I get my settings. Up at the top, get my music, which is important to me. And of course, here, come on, they want to see you, your alarm. So the developer gives you everything in his watch face, and considering that it is free, I'm telling you people, it's worth the download. Go download today. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please, on the way out, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.